this point, we have seen what AI is and how it is used across different parts of an organization. In this lecture, we focus on something equally important: how AI should be used responsibly and ethically in the workplace. As AI becomes more embedded into everyday tools and processes, it directly influences decisions, outcomes, and people. Responsible and ethical AI use ensures that these systems support work in a way that is safe, fair, and aligned with organizational values. Responsible and ethical AI refers to the way AI systems are applied in real world settings, particularly in the workplace. It is about ensuring that AI is used in a manner that is safe, appropriate, and consistent with company policies and expectations. This is not just a technical responsibility. Every employee who interacts with AI enabled tools plays a role in ensuring that those tools are used correctly. Using AI responsibly means understanding that AI outputs are not neutral or infallible. They are influenced by data, design choices, and context, which means they require thoughtful use and awareness. Ethical AI use helps build trust both within the organization and with the customers, partners, and the wider public. So, at its core, responsible AI means using AI in a way that is ethical, safe, and aligned with organizational values. A key point to remember is that AI does not operate independently. Even when AI systems generate recommendations or insights, humans remain accountable for how those outputs are used. Responsible AI also requires alignment with company policies, legal requirements, and ethical standards. Just because an AI system can generate an answer or suggestion doesn't mean it should be used without review. In the workplace, this means employees are expected to apply judgment, question outputs when necessary, and understand the role AI plays in a given process. AI supports work, it does not replace responsibility. So, there are several core principles that guide responsible AI use. First one being transparency, which means being aware when AI is involved and understanding at a high level how it contributes to outcomes. Fairness focuses on ensuring AI systems do not unintentionally disadvantage individuals or groups, particularly in a people-related decision. Privacy is critical, especially when AI systems handle sensitive or personal data. Protecting information is a fundamental responsibility. Accountability ensures that humans remain responsible for decisions influenced by AI. Finally, human oversight means AI outputs should be reviewed, validated, and challenged when necessary. Together, these principles ensure AI is used in a way that is safe, fair, and aligned with the organizational values.